Tessie, baby. My baby.
Chief, I've warned you.
What is it?
Stay off me.
Leave
me alone.
Why are you sounding like this? Have I done anything wrong? What have I said wrong now? See, the love I have for you is like the love we have for our Lord Jesus Christ. He died for us on the cross of Calvary, but I love you with all my heart. I want you to give me yourself. Allow me to come inside of you and then do some changes. I will reconstruct so many things. I will change a lot of things in your life and you become human. I mean, you'll be...
Oh, Chief, Chief, this person you are saying is a full-fledged married woman. I am married. I have said this countless times. Chief, leave me alone.
See, I am married. It's very easy to say. It's a song that anybody can sing at any time. But what I'm trying to tell you is that I know you are married, like you said. But you and I know that it's not true. I can change your world. I can do anything. In fact, I can even squander all my money because of you. So please, I want you to give me yourself.
Just don't touch me. Chief, you need to see my husband.
Hello?
You need to see my husband. He's so suitable. He's so cute. He's not even in your class. So go look for your class.
Okay, I will call you back.
See me, just no. Just see me. This man has been on my neck for months.
For
I
what?
have told him countless times that I am married. He still wants me to go out with him.
But what I'm telling you is that love, they say, is blind. There's nothing I can see.
Come on, get out. You know your type.
What are you trying to do? To hug her in my front?
Please now. Why are you making me to feel bad? I don't want. See, I am too emotional. I don't want to start crying here. I don't want it. Baby. What is wrong for you? I mean, just accept me as your person. I mean, let's start rolling things. Let me see how it's gonna work out for you.
What's gonna work out? Who's gonna work out? Baby, see trouble.
Who is leaving this now?
Baby, this man has been on my neck. He has been on my case for months. Am I your type? If you must know, this man before me is my suitable husband. My sweet husband. Come on, baby.
Baby. Che. What type of
Deti akwa fole dustbin. Deti ingune dustbin o te wufu ye nan. Tesi. No, are you for real or you're joking? I was even thinking he's one of their bookies that polished your shoe. Can you call this in your husband? Just look at somebody you want to take in place of me.
Baby, turn around.
Like,
oh no!
From here to just nothing to turn. Na me tu who go the kazode. Eh? As though even better pass the yourself. How are you coping with this kind of thing in the house?
Fine man like me.
Fine boy like this. Fine boy like you. Eh?
Imagine.
See now.
Hey.
You know how many countries where you don't go? This guy na rapper. He dey write music for all these big musicians.
On a rap obako, on a rap egusi, on a rap gari.
See this man. So you've never heard of me?
Hey.
I don't need to hear.
Look at this. You think it's for a joke? It's for celebrities.
Even my neighbor's dog, they open his ear, put them cowries for your own ordinary one. Our dog near my house is wearing four cowries on his ear. So please forget about this thing you're telling me. How can you tell me say this person be your husband? Tesi Mokwanya. So this music where you go about the sing, somebody son go find you one day. So now finally now somebody monkey find you.
Hey!
I say it. That somebody's son can never who be the person?
Chief.
Eh? Hey! Look at the immigration center. What's it be this sir?
It's in the big man.
Baby.
Ah.
Smile now.
Hey! Get me conversion. Stop that nonsense. No try that nonsense where I did.
My cute man.
Cube? Kill Maggie Cube. Kill your cube man.
Baby, I love the love, man. Do love more for me. Oh, I'm enjoying it. Are you seeing love making?
Definitely you have to enjoy it.
Yes, now.
Because I'm sure nobody have ever even accepted to talk to you before. But when she did, you need to enjoy it. Give it again.
Oh, baby,
Hey! Uli Center.
Baby,
Yes.
Oh.
Ngwakoya na Agbaje Junction.
Baby.
Oh.
Okay, go roundabout. Ngwa. Okay, go.
Baby, come here.
This one we do love.
Yeah.
Baby, don't mind him, man.
This one
He's
na
jealous.
bondage love.
I love you.
Chai.
I love you.
Ngwana rest in peace. Oh.
Right thinking.
Also get nice we don't do.
Baby, we have to leave this man and go where we want to go.
All right, baby.
Let's go, baby.
Ke ukurukutum kutukum kutibai. Kurukukum kutukum kutidai. Krukudai. Eh, bonkata bia church yo. Chipu ya o. Ogata bu mu Chineke. Chipu ya. So this is what one name. Nkata where's monkey? Yam brukutum buku maya ye. Oh here can akpo. Kurukutum. Kutukum. The husband na kutukum. The wife na kurukutum himself. Stupid man. I was even playing. I never know say you have jumped yourself into or you have landed yourself into cryptocurrency. They tell me say you marry. I just one day here they tease you, make I know what you go talk. I hear say you marry. I can't say today I must see the person where take this risk. Mama, two both of you are risk takers. Can one take your risk? Mapuru ni me forest. Can one take your risk? Mapuru ni me enwe. Let me see what you na go born. Ikwi. Bingo.